Find the values of x and y. So we have two right-angled triangles joined up together, the bigger one on the left side, smaller one on the right side. And the good thing about this question is that there are two lengths that are the same. X is at the bottom here. Over here is also an x, so it's good to fill up in the diagram itself. Alright, so what we do is we can find x first by using this right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse squared will be equals to 15 squared plus x squared. So we always start with the hypotenuse, we square that will be equals to the other two lengths squared, added up together. So 17 square, let's assess what is that. 289. 15 square, 225 plus x square. 289 minus 225, that will be equals to x square. And x square is 289 minus 225, which is 64. And x is plus minus square root 64, which is equals to 8 or negative 8 cm. Okay, this question is in cm everywhere. Okay, so please put cm there as your units. So answer for x is 8 cm. This negative 8 is rejected because length can never be negative. Okay, so once we get our answers right, important, okay, to put it back inside the diagram. Okay, so x is 8 cm. Over here at the bottom is also going to be 8 centimeter. So to find y, we do another round of Pythagoras theorem, this time round for the smaller triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, y square, okay, we start with the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse is y square is equals to 8 square plus 8 square. So y square is 64 plus 64. Y square is 128. Y will be equals to plus minus square root 128, which I believe is going to give us decimal placing. Okay, so 11.3137 or negative 11.3137. This is rejected, length cannot be negative. Round this off to 3SF, 11.3 centimeter, 3 significant figures. So x is 8, y is 11.3 centimeters.